Me personally, what I like about the task force is that especially with DWIs, it's generally almost always it's your full investigation. So from the time of the stop to making the arrest, it's your word, your expertise. Officer Barrientos with El Paso Police. The reason being stopped is you ran the red light back there.
What are the most common?
The most common one is usually the smell of alcohol, their eyes, if they're bloodshot. We start looking for their mannerisms. So you ask for their license, you ask for registration, you start trying to divide their attention to see how well they can handle tasks. Good right there? Low. Any minor, so that's a person under 21, they can't have any detectable amount of alcohol in their system. So in this case, she was 17, and because she did have an open container in there, I gave her a chance to vet herself, so she says that she hadn't consumed anything, so she was able to prove that she was being honest about that. All DWIs are preventable. People should already have a plan. If they're planning to go out and drink, have the plan, have a friend, have rideshare apps, and you should already have them downloaded, whether it's Uber, it's Lyft, getting both of them, not just one. And so he just hit this one and that's it?
Yeah, he just hit that one. He took out that tower point. There's an electrical pole right here.
Okay. In the cases of collisions, family can lose their family member, for life. That, or they get injured. And even now with how the department posts all the mugshots, now the family has to deal with that too. Like somebody's son got arrested and now, the mom has to find out that way through people. It affects everybody.